A new vaccination clinic is expected to open up on Rockford's west side by the end of this month.
1,000 shots per week will be administered at New Zion Baptist Church on Riverside. Alexis Carpello spoke with the church's pastor. Alexis, he tells you the health department asked him for help.
Yeah, that's right, Eric and Hannah. The Winnebago County Health Department reached out to the Rockford Ministers Fellowship after noticing the African American community only makes up slightly over 6% of total vaccines administered.
We've been praying, quite frankly, for a vaccine.
Rockford's West Side residents will soon have more opportunities to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Dr. Martell reached out to the Rockford Ministers Fellowship as well as just clergy on the West Side to see if there are ways to more efficiently and effectively engage a population that basically has been underrepresented in the vaccination stats.
She reached out to us because the numbers were still looking poor, as they are nationwide, as far as participation from Black and brown communities.
Pastor K. Edward Copeland offered up New Zion Baptist Church for the clinic. He says it will help lessen the disparities the African American community has dealt with during the pandemic.
And since we are dying at a higher rate and suffering at a higher rate as it relates to the virus, the county rightly reached out to try to see if there was a way that the clergy and other influencers could sort of start moving those stats in the right direction.
Pastor Copeland says the Riverside location helps with accessibility.
We have the capacity, as I understand it, and the goal is for us to be doing 1,000 vaccinations per week.
Appointments will be required. The clinic will operate 4 days a week and will administer 250 doses per day.
This is an opportunity to make sure that we're on the right side of statistics.
They are expecting that number of doses to increase at the site as more vaccines become available from the federal government. Eric?